Hey guys, Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison, and I wanted to take a moment to talk about wiper blades. Now your wiper blades should work like this. If you look, there's no streaks or lines. Now coming up on the winter, there is a chance that your wiper blades might work like this. Now if you look close, you'll see that there's some lines and streaks. Now that's going to look a lot worse when you're trying to wipe off salt and whatever debris you might encounter in the winter. So shoot us a call or stop on by if your wiper blades are doing that, and check out some of our competitive pricing that we have on replacement wiper blades, or our winter readiness package we offer for only $99.95, which beyond just wiper blades includes a oil change and a number of other considerations to help get your car ready for winter. Stay safe and come check out what we have to offer.